Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add Squarespace appointments on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using a block which is powered by Acuity Scheduling. This is integrated into Squarespace. I'm pretty sure they developed it themselves as well. So let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I have a blank page open right here, and I'm just going to go and edit it. I have a blank section which I will be using, and we're going to go ahead and add a block. Scroll down and click on scheduling. Now this will request you to connect to Acuity Scheduling, so I'll just click connect to an existing account. It's going to take me to content, and we're going to have to paste a link for Acuity. Now, because I'm already connected, it's just going to, well, give me the appointment option right here, but you can go and manage appointments in Acuity, and if you don't have it linked, it'll take you over to Acuity once you select what you want to, well, put in and embed. Now you will need to enter a link, and the link you're going to need to do or to copy over is the scheduling page link. Just copy this and paste it into the link section, which will appear over here, and that is pretty much it. Now you can set up all public appointment types. You can select appointment types, calendars, custom links, depending on what you want. You can change the design, which you can customize in Acuity, but that is pretty much the gist of it, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.